Hey guys, and what's up, and welcome back to All Things LaToya. I am here today to talk to you guys about my business that I started. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do so. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming today, and just welcome to everyone. And let's get into the video. Okay, so I mean, it's quarantine 2020, right? So everybody's doing their own things, starting their own businesses, going back to school, doing what have you. So I've always wanted to be a business owner, and oh, my eyes are itching. I've always wanted to be a business owner, and a couple years ago I did start a business, and it just wasn't the right thing for me, and I don't think it was the right time either. So yeah, that was out the window. But this year I went ahead and started my lip gloss business. And I say lip gloss because that's just kind of how I started it, or what the items that I started with. And its business is not that old. It's like literally maybe like a month old, maybe 2 months. So I'm still fresh, learning stuff. I'm always on YouTube watching entrepreneurship videos and learning things. And yeah, so I started a lip gloss business. So currently I sell lip gloss, I sell lip oils, and I'm working on lip balms. And then I'm sorry guys, I'm squinting so much, my eyes are itching. It's been a long day. Let me just take a long day. I have started having like severe migraines, so I've just kind of been in the bed all day, so I'm just kind of like waking up now. But yeah, anyway, back to the business. So yes, I sell lip balms, or working on lip balms, lip gloss, lip oils, and I'll be also doing like body scrubs and different types of scrubs, lip scrubs, body scrubs. So there's quite a few different items that I'm working on getting onto the website. But I just wanted to introduce my business to you guys and let you guys know that I do have a business. It is called All Shades Queen. So kind of the message behind that is, every shade of queen. Like, everyone can purchase from my business. There's something for everyone. It's not specific to, Black women, white women, however. It's for all queens. All women, we're all queens. We're all different shades, but we are all queens at the end of the day. We should love ourselves as such, treat ourselves as such, and make sure everyone around us is treating us that way. And those that we have in our lives, treat us like the queens that we are. So that's kind of where that All Shades Queen came from. And eventually I will venture off into the cosmetic part of the business, but as for right now, we're just gonna stick with like the lip stuff and a few body things. So I did want to show you guys some of the products that I have, and yeah, we'll just go from there. Put my pillow behind my back. Okay, so I have an order in which I'm going to go. So and the basic lip gloss, of course you can go to the website and you can see all the ingredients, but for the most part they all encompass the same items or the same oils and things like that. So this is called Sweet Cakes, and so let me put it up here like that. Hopefully you guys can see, got little speckles in it. And this is cake battered flavor, or actually let me say cake battered scented. None of the lip glosses will be flavored because technically speaking, you're not supposed to be eating lip gloss. You can add enough scent in there that you can kind of taste it sometimes, but that's not the goal. So it's just meant to be scented. So that's cake batter. And then the next item we have, which I absolutely love, this is called Freedom Girl. All right, and this is watermelon apple. And so there are different things on the website. There's only like one that comes in right now, different sizes, but what you'll see on the website are either 8 milliliter tubes or 15 milliliter. The next one is Pleasure Me Pink. And this is raspberry lemon flavored. It smells really good. Lemon scented, sorry. And let's see what else we have. So keep in mind, this is my sample because I actually used this one. But this one is called Snooty Pink. It has a label on it too, so you might be able to see that. It's part of the new collection that I'm creating. It's really nice. I'll put this one on for you guys so you can kind of see it. I love this one. So it has like a light tint to it. Let's see if I can get closer. Just a little closer look so you guys can see it. Yeah, so that's Snooty Pink. And then we have, I'm only gonna show a few. I've got quite a few on there. So this one is called Your Highness. This is one of my newest ones. It is super pretty. Hopefully you guys can see like the speckles in there a little bit. But it does have speckles of gold in it. And this is cotton candy flavored. So this one, so I'll give you guys a sample of Your Highness. I had to wipe Snooty Pink off. But it has a slight tint. Really pretty and shiny. Really like this one. It smells good too. So that's that. Let me scoot you guys back because y'all. All right. So that's Your Highness. And then I'll show you one of the lip oils. This one is called Forget Me Not. And all the lip oils right now are just lemon scented. And this has a combination, oh, can you guys see? So this has a combination of Forget Me Not flowers and then jasmine. Smells really good, super moisturizing. And then let's see. I have this one that I've been playing with. This is gonna be one of the newer nudes. I haven't put this on the website yet, but it is chocolate raspberry scented. Let me give you guys a little sample of that. It's really pretty. And let me just do like let me do a swatch for you guys. I feel like you're not getting the real essence of it on my lips. And then I also do Snooty Pink right next to it, wherever it is. All right, so that's gonna be the Snooty Pink. And then this is going to be the other nude that I don't have a name for yet. So if you guys have any suggestions for the newest nude, let me know and put it in the comments, and I definitely will consider that. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Just some of the items. You can definitely go on the website and check those out, check the prices out. You also get 20% off when you sign up for an email. You know, and the email is simply just not, I will not be blowing up your email because I don't like that kind of stuff. So the email is just simply going to give you like an update on any exclusive discounts we have. I may also send just discounts to the people on the email list. So definitely sign up. I'd appreciate that. That would definitely help me out, so I can definitely get a newsletter and things like that going. But yeah, this All Shades Queen is definitely for all queens, all ladies. So you guys check me out. I'll put the website down here. It's just www.allshadesqueen.com. And that's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate you guys listening and tuning in again today. If y'all have any questions about anything that I showed you guys or anything on the website, please don't hesitate to ask. And love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how we